Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Volkswagen Polo, stock number 6094. This ran from 05 2010 to 05 2014. Has a CGGB 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 5-speed manual transmission. This is a CGGB 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. The front headlight has sun cracks. Front bonnet no dents. Left front guard no dents. Left front 15-inch steel wheel with tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel with tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel with tyre. Right front headlight has sun cracks. Right front guard no dents. Right front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console. Manual gear stick. Heated AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,